Hello engineers, welcome to the 46th video in learning MOSFETs through shorts, and in this particular video we are going to simulate both of this particular circuit, that is common source amplifier and a common source amplifier with the current source load onto the LTspice software, and then we will find out the gain of both of this particular circuit, and eventually we will compare the gain and we will verify whether the gain offered by this particular circuit, that is CS amplifier with the current source load, is it greater than the gain of a normal CS amplifier or not. So for that, let me go on to the LTspice software. So as you can see, this particular circuit, it represents a CS amplifier with a current source load. So over here, this particular PMOS, it acts as a constant current source, and this is your NMOS, it is acting as a normal CS amplifier. So that's why it is known as CS amplifier with a current source load, because PMOS is acting as a constant current source over here. And to the input side, I'm providing 1 millivolt of the input signal, and let's check the output. So let me just zoom out this particular image. Alright, so as you can see over here, this is my input signal of 1 millivolts, and to the output side I'm getting roughly around 130-140 millivolts. And most importantly, the signal is inverted, that is it is 180 degree out of phase with respect to my input signal. So if I consider this particular point of my input signal, it is minus of 1 millivolt, and for output, if I consider this particular point, it is approximately 139. So if I consider it as 140, that is also fine. So 140 millivolts. And if I focus upon the voltage gain, so that is V out by V in, that is 140 millivolts divided by minus of 1, so I'll get a gain of around minus 140. So the gain provided by this particular amplifier, that is CS amplifier with the current source load, it is 140. Now let's focus on to the gain of this particular CS amplifier. So as you can see, this is a normal CS amplifier, and again I'm providing 1 millivolt to its input side, and then let's verify the output signal. So yeah, this is 1 millivolt of input signal, the green color, and the output signal, it is blue one, and of course it is 180 degree out of phase with respect to the input, and it is approximately 30 millivolts. So when my input signal is minus 1 millivolt, I'm getting output signal as 30 millivolts, and when I substitute it over here in the formula for gain, I'm getting gain of around minus 30. So we can clearly verify that the gain offered by the normal CS amplifier, it is much lesser than the gain offered by the CS amplifier with the current source load, and that is the significance of having a constant current source to the drain terminal. I hope you understood the concept and significance of a constant current source. If you are enjoying this kind of videos, make sure to like, share and subscribe the channel to get such amazing content related to electronics. Thank you.